Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today? How are you feeling?
Good.
Are you ready for the day?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So we're outside today. So I need you now to look around the environment. Tell me what are some things you can see?
Birds, trees, plants.
Plants.
Cosmos.
So it's true that we can see a lot of trees and a lot of plants. So I have a plant here with me. What do you observe about this plant, or what can you tell me about this plant here?
Flower. These are flowers.
Mm-hmm.
Roots, stem, leaf.
Mm-hmm. So today we will be learning about the parts of a plant and its functions. Just like human beings have different body parts that does different things, it's similar with plants. Plants have different parts with different functions. Stop now. So by now, we would have learned that plants have different parts and different functions. Isn't that so?
Yes, Miss.
So on the board here we have is a diagram showing the different parts and functions of the plant. Repeat after me. We have the leaf,
Leaf.
the fruit,
The fruit.
flower,
Flower.
stem,
The stem.
and the root.
And the root.
And can any one of you tell me any functions of the parts of the plant?
Miss, the root protect the.
Come on.
The fruit protect the seed.
Yes, that is true. The fruit protects the seed. Wendell, what about you? Tiffany, you? Alright, we're going to go through the functions of the plant. We have the leaf. It performs photosynthesis. Do you know what is photosynthesis?
No.
Okay, photosynthesis is the process by which plants make their own food through the process of sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. We have the flower here. It helps in reproduction. How do you think the flower helps in reproduction?
By making seed.
Yes, by making seeds, and
bringing-
also
bringing
it helps
insects.
to attract insects. How do you think the fruit protects the seed?
Miss, by sharing it with the hard shell and soft.
Alright, that's great, Ari. So the fruit protects the seed by the outer part or the covering of the fruit. We have the stem. How do you think the stem supports the plant?
Miss, by keeping it straight
Mm-hmm.
and one place.
Well, yes, we can say that. So the stem supports the plant by keeping it upright or in one position, right? What about the root? How do you think the root absorb? How do you think the root supports the plant?
Miss, by keeping it one place in the soil.
Yes. So the root helps to keep the plant firmly in the soil. It also helps to absorb water and nutrients. And the root is one of the most important parts of the plant because do you think without the root the plant would be able to stand firmly in the soil?
No, Miss.
Okay, so the root is one of the most important parts of the plant because it helps to support the plant with water and minerals. So we have a little activity for you to do. So for the activities, we have group 1 and we have group 2. So for group 1, we are going to place the parts of the plant to its functions. And for group 2 is going to color and label the parts of a plant. So come Tiffany. So Harry, you can go. So here is the group. You're going to see we have the functions here. You're going to insert the parts of the plant to its function. So go ahead.
Go ahead.
Remember, it's a little bit you're taking. Mhm. Good. Next person. Take your time. Helps in reproduction. What part helps in reproduction? Mhm. Oh, it's, you have to bring it at the top here. This is here. So it can fit the next part. Bring it with. So we have the next part supports the plant. What is the part that supports the plant? And lastly, absorbs water and minerals. What part absorbs water and minerals? I hope it sticks on. So for group 2 now, group 2 will color and label the plants and its parts. So you're going to color the plant and you're going to label it correctly. Take your time. So we have concluded today's activities. So now I would like for you to share with me what you have learned in today's lesson. Ari?
Miss, I learned that the plants have 5 parts.
That's correct. The plants have 5 parts. Tiffany?
Miss, I learned to observe water and minerals.
And minerals. The root absorb water and minerals, which is correct. What about you, Wendell?
I learned that the seed protects the seed. The seed protects the plant. The fruit protects.
The seed protects, the fruit protects the seed. So in a little nutshell of what we have covered today, we learned that the plants have different parts and different functions. We mentioned that the leaf performs photosynthesis, the fruit protects the seed, the stem supports the plant, the flower helps in reproduction, and the root helps to absorb water and minerals. So for your homework, group 1, you're going to list 4 things that helps the plant to grow strong and healthy, right? You're going to list 4 things that helps the plant to grow strong and healthy. And group 1, for your homework, you're going to draw a diagram of a plant and label it, right? You think you understand? Well, that is it for today's lessons, right?